Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You open Instagram and tap the paper plane or messenger icon to reach direct messages. Once done, locate the conversation where the sender shared a photo. Unread threads show bold text. If the app asks, grant photo or media access so images can display. This is why some pictures appear blank otherwise. Tap the conversation to enter. When you see a thumbnail or image preview, press it to start viewing full size. This is the first move to inspect shared photos fully. You tap a thumbnail to open the photo full screen, and then you can pinch to zoom or double tap for quick magnification. That helps you inspect details. Once full screen is open, swipe left or right to move between other images or videos in the same thread. Make sure to notice the three-dot menu for save, forward, or report options. Use save to store the photo locally or forward to share it with another chat. These steps let you manage images without leaving the message. You finish by saving, replying, or forwarding the image. Tap the three-dot menu and choose Save Photo if you want it in your gallery. If a picture won't load, check Wi-Fi or mobile data and confirm Instagram has permission to access your storage. Lack of permission is the main cause. If problems persist, force close and reopen the app, or update Instagram to the latest version and try again. That often resolves caching or compatibility issues and gets your photos displaying normally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.